everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a gratis haul. So I'm here to share my April gratis with you all. Yep, it's April, y'all. The days, the months, the times is moving like real fast, y'all. Like, yeah. Before you know it, it's going to be Mother's Day, and then the summertime, and then we're going to be back to Halloween, Christmas, and New Year's again, y'all. Please slow down because it's going way too fast, y'all. I promise you it's going way too fast. Like, it's going way too fast. Okay? Spread out on my vanity area, y'all. When I tell you it's a complete mess in here, I should not have washed my sheets and did all that in the middle of me filming because my bed is a mess. This here is a mess and it giving me anxiety. Like, I'm just like, okay, breathe, Tamika, breathe. Okay. I wanted to go ahead and make up my bed, but the sun is coming out. So when I film, I do like to film with natural lighting and it looks better. So I'm trying to film this here video first, and then I'll go ahead and fix my bed. This is the little basket I'm going to put the stuff in once I show you everything I got, just so I can clear this area up because I told y'all stuff is everywhere, okay? This here Dr. Jart Icy Facial. Never used this before, so hopefully it's good. I think you're supposed to mix it or do something to it and then put it all over your face. So I may try this since I'm off for a few days. So yeah. So my next item is this here Ole Hendrickson. This here is the Peach Niacinamide Cleanser. We also got that in gratis. A cleanser, and y'all, it do smell like peach, y'all. And let me just show you. It's not like a frosted glass bottle, it's just plastic. So you can place this in your shower. So just to let you know, we got that. Got a Versace fragrance. It's just like a little deluxe size. Cute, right? New Glossier You fragrance. It's the one that's in the blue packaging. Y'all, this packaging is so cute. Like, so cute. Got the Love Shack Fancy fragrance. It's the Sweetheart fragrance. Skincare is a step 1, step 2 skincare. This is new to Sephora. Fable and Mane hair and body mist. Got the Shiseido dark spot and wrinkle smoothing serum. Yeah, ain't this packaging cute, right? We got another fragrance, which is this here Versace in the blue packaging. Rare Beauty True to Myself foundation. I did get the shade 34 medium deep warm. Laura Mercier setting powder and translucent. They did come out with a green setting powder. Came out with a green setting powder. I didn't get that because I didn't feel like I needed a green setting powder. I think that's more so for color correcting or something like that. So I just got the translucent because, you know, you can't go wrong with the translucent. And this one here is the talc free. Also got something from Salt and Stone. We got the Santal scent. Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads. This is a step 1, step 2 type thing. Y'all, these things really work. They are pricey. So I would recommend, if it's your birthday anytime soon, get the Dr. Dennis Gross birthday set if you don't like the other ones, because this one here, it would change your life. I'm just telling you, your skin is going to be skinning, okay? I don't use these that often because I don't need it, but you can use it. It's like a daily exfoliating peel pad. It's like a step 1 and step 2 type thing. Use them all the time. I just use them as needed. Another You to the People a cleanser. I got the Skin Fix water cream. It is geared to oily girls. I got the Clinique Black Honey. Got this here. I think this is pronounced Hysteria. It's a moisturizing cream. We got that. This hair highlighter. I got the shade Warm Glow from Say. Got this here Kiehl's UV serum. This here Crown Affair dry shampoo. And then I got this here lip from Hung Van Gogh. Yeah, it's like a pink shade. It's like really bright. I don't know if I picked it or what, but it's like oozing out, y'all. Going fast because I done filmed this like so many times. You hear me? So many times. Then we got this here Clean Reserve Caramel Swirl. Then I got this here, then we got this new Fresh Lip Oil. Their lips don't smell like nothing, and I'm that person that like my glosses to smell like cupcakes or something. But it's not a bad lip oil, you all. So yeah, we got that. Oh, and I got the shade Honey. This here, Desi Skin. This here is a cleansing balm. So it's supposed to take off your makeup. So I will be using this sometime soon to let y'all know how I liked it. Armani Power of You. Oh my gosh, you all. If you like sweet scent, smell this. And you will thank me later. Then we got the new Fenty blush. You shake it. In order to use it, you have to shake it first. You have to shake it. And then it's like a doe-foot applicator where you can, you know, dab. And when I tell you these dry down real fast, so yeah, you have to move really quickly with these. I've been doing one cheek at a time because if you put some, like say you dot one on each cheek and you work on here, this side is going to dry. So I recommend doing one cheek at a time. And again, make sure you shake this very, very well. New Archie Brow by Anastasia. It's supposed to be like a microblading pen in a brow pencil. So this is how it looks. And I got the shade Chocolate. I got something from Tower 28. I'm sure I had this before. This is the pistachio shade. I haven't tried LYS. I highly recommend going into Sephora to swatch it, touch it, feel it. Because y'all, I love her products. They are so affordable and you get so much for your money, okay? You get so much for your money. I want to say these here are under $30. And you get a blush and a full size highlighter for under $30. Like, where can you get that at? Y'all, her bronzers, when I tell you I love LYS, like I love her products. Got this here, last but not least, this Makeup by Mario palette. I think it's the Ethereal palette. I'm excited about this hair palette. I don't remember the last time we got like a full size palette, but y'all, I'm happy we got this. But yeah, y'all, this is everything we got in our Gratis. Oh, and then I also got a bonus Gratis bag because like I said before, brands leave us stuff in our clear bins. And I had asked my manager, I said, I'm off for 3 days. I said, so can you clear my bin for me? And she's like, yeah, I got you. So she cleared my bin. So let me go grab that real quick. Like I said, here's my clear bin. Some good stuff in my clear bin, y'all. When I tell you I was excited when I saw some of the stuff that I had in my clear bin, I was like, okay, brands, come through. Because people be like, oh, Miss Tamika, how you get this? How you get that? I'm like, y'all have to remember, I've been working for Sephora for over 4 years, okay? Relationships with these here brands. I'm going to call you after I finish filming. Okay, I'll call you back. All right, bye. Love you. Some of my Sephora friends was like, oh, Miss Tamika, how you get that? I said, there you go, all in my business. I said, get out my business. But anywho, I got this here LYS brush, y'all. I was like, yeah, girl. That's concealer brush. And it kind of reminds you of the one that I use from House Labs that I love so much. It is dirty, y'all. Of course, I just used it. Love my House Labs brush, concealer brush. But this one right here, tell me she ain't cute without saying she cute. Tell me she ain't cute, okay? She all pink and pretty. So I got that back in a little pouch because we don't want her to get dirty, okay? Here's Sephora bag. I wanted this bag. Not that I needed this bag, but I don't know, y'all. I have a thing for pouches. Anytime I see a pouch, a bag, or anything, I have to have it. Like, I have to have it. So, I ended up getting this here cute little bag. And then I got this here Merit little carrying thing. I think you put a lip gloss in here. And you can put it on your keychain. And it says Merit. Because my girl Lisa works for, because I call her my little sister friend. She works for Merit Girl. That's my girl, okay? Got the waterproof. Y'all, I love this waterproof Sephora collection makeup remover, y'all. That is my absolute favorite. You hear me? The new Sephora moisturizer. So it was in this little pouch. Like if you come to our Sephora, if you sign up to be a BI, you would have got something like this. If we still have them available. So yeah, I got that. I got the YSL, the new YSL lip liners, y'all. She didn't have a lot of shades to choose from, so I just got what I could get. So yeah, I got this shade. It's not like my typical brown, but again, it was gifted, so I'm like, I'm not going to be picky, you know. I got a lip brush from Gucci. Tom gave me this. And then I got this here LYS lash set. So it's like little individual lashes, and you have your lash applicator. It don't come with the glue, so I don't know what kind of glue you would use. I don't know if you would use regular glue. It says pre-glue cluster. Oh, they pre-glued. Okay, so they pre-glued. So okay, I gotta try these out, y'all. So they already have glue on them. Got this here Makeup Forever pencil, my Valerie. She gave me that little keychain lip liner. This is my hands down my favorite Limitless Brown. Yeah, this is my favorite. So here is Limitless Brown. So I might say if my daughter wants this, but if not, you know. And then we got two Time Ford samples. I'm gonna give this to he know. Let me give that to him. This here Baby Facial by Drunk Elephant. And then y'all, I got one of the new YSL lippies. Like, I didn't care which one I got of these here because I just feel like all of them are cute. So I got this to throw in my purse. Where did they put the tea at? Yeah, y'all, that's what I got. And what I got in my clear bin. And then that's what I got in my actual April Gratis. So yeah, because usually give us nice Gratis between January, February, March, April. Because around holiday, we don't get nothing, y'all. It's times we was getting like 4 or 5 things, okay? So, and if you part-time, you really didn't get anything. So, yeah, y'all. That I got in my Gratis. Oh, y'all, almost forgot. I got this here, fresh, these here, watermelon. And it smells like watermelon, you all. So, yeah, I'm excited about this. Again, one of the brand reps left this for me as well. So, yeah, y'all, I got some good stuff. Shout out to all the brand reps that always look out for Miss Tamika. Okay. I have met so many lovely, lovely, lovely people working at Sephora. So anytime I leave, I will always have that connection with them. Because like when I go to Lenox, I be seeing the brand reps. Or if I go to Perimeter or East Cobb, I'm like, hey, y'all. Like, hey, what y'all doing? So yeah, y'all, with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.